Hi, I'm Dr. Dane Goodenowe, neuroscientist and inventor, and I want to talk to you about dementia, or the loss of cognitive capacity with aging. Dementia has now become the world's most feared disease, above even that of cancer. People are worried that they're going to lose their memory. They're worried that they're going to lose who they are, because if you have been with someone with dementia, you realize it is the worst disease possible, because when someone dies with dementia, they don't even die as themselves. But is that an inevitability? Or is it a randomness that is unpredictable in your future? And the answer is no. Dementia is not random. It is predictable. It is not inevitable. It is preventable. Learn the science. Learn how people are restoring their brain health, and they're retrieving their memory, their executive function, and most importantly, they're retrieving the relationship with their loved ones. Nothing is more important than that. So join me from March 21st to 23rd, where we're going to talk about the biochemistry of dementia and the recovery from dementia. I look forward to seeing you there.